Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk channel. My name is Anna, and we're really happy you're here with us today. No matter where you're watching from, we hope you're feeling comfortable, relaxed, and ready to spend a few minutes practicing English with us.
Hi, Anna, and hello to everyone listening. My name is Leo. It's always a pleasure to be here. Thanks for choosing to practice your English with us today. Just take it easy, listen to the conversation, and enjoy the process.
That's right, there's no pressure at all. You don't need to repeat out loud if you don't want to. Just listening carefully is already great practice.
Absolutely. And today's topic is something that comes up very naturally in everyday life, especially when you're in a place you don't know very well.
Yes, today we're talking about asking for directions.
This is one of those situations that almost everyone experiences. It can happen when you're traveling, when you move to a new city, or even when you're just trying to find a place for the first time.
And for many people, asking for directions in another language can feel a little uncomfortable.
That's true. You might feel nervous because you're not sure how to ask, or you're worried you won't understand the answer.
But that feeling is very normal, and it happens to a lot of people.
And in real life, most people are patient and willing to help, especially when they see that you're trying.
Before we continue, if you're enjoying these conversations and you'd like to keep practicing English with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. We really appreciate your support.
Thank you so much. All right, let's get into today's conversation.
Okay, Leo, let's imagine we're walking around a city. I'm not familiar with the area and I need to find a place.
Sounds good.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but could I ask you something?
Sure, no problem at all. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the bus station. I think it's somewhere near here, but I'm not completely sure how to get there.
Okay, I see. It's actually not very far from here. If you walk straight down this street for about 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic light, you'll see the bus station right next to a large supermarket.
Okay, so I walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic light, and it's next to the supermarket, right?
That's right. You really can't miss it.
Great, thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Glad I could help.
Let's imagine another situation. Excuse me, do you happen to know if there's a restroom somewhere nearby?
Yes, there is. There's a small cafe just across the street, and the restroom is inside. You can go in and ask the staff.
Oh, across the street. That's perfect. Thank you.
No problem at all.
Sometimes you don't know the exact name of the place you're looking for. You just know what you need.
That happens all the time.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a pharmacy. Is there one around here?
Yes, there is. There's one on Main Street, not too far from here. It's about a 5-minute walk.
Okay, about 5 minutes. Is it easy to find?
Yes, it is. Just walk straight until you reach Main Street and you'll see it on the corner.
That sounds manageable. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Now, imagine you're listening carefully, but you don't understand everything the first time.
That's very common.
Sorry, could you repeat that a bit more slowly, please?
Of course. Walk straight, turn right at the corner, and the building will be on your left.
Turn right at the corner, and it'll be on my left. Okay, I understand now.
Perfect.
Sometimes it also helps to check if you understood correctly.
Definitely.
So just to make sure, I go straight, then turn right, and it's on the left side of the street?
Yes, that's correct.
Great, thanks again.
Anytime.
Let's talk about asking for directions inside a building, like a mall or a hospital.
That's very common too.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the elevator is?
Sure. Walk down this hallway and you'll see it at the very end, right next to the stairs.
At the end of the hallway, next to the stairs. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Another place where people often need directions is when they're looking for their hotel, especially after traveling for a long time.
That's very true. It usually happens when you arrive in a new city and everything still feels unfamiliar.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the Sunrise Hotel from here?
Sure, it's actually not too far. If you walk straight for 1 block and then turn right, you'll see the hotel on your left, just past the coffee shop.
Okay, so I walk 1 block, turn right, and it's on the left, after the coffee shop.
That's right. It's a tall building with a glass entrance, so it's pretty easy to recognize.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you have a nice day.
Let's imagine one last situation. You're in a new neighborhood and trying to find a grocery store.
Okay.
Excuse me, is there a grocery store close to here?
Yes, there is. It's across from the park, just a short walk from here. You can actually see it once you reach the corner.
That's very convenient. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Being polite and calm really helps in these situations.
I agree. Simple, clear language works very well, and short answers are perfectly fine.
For sure, you don't need to explain too much. Everyone understands when you speak clearly.
And every time you try, you gain more confidence. Now it's your turn to practice. In the comments below, write 1 or 2 sentences.
You can write a question asking for directions or an answer giving directions. Keep it natural and simple. And don't worry about making mistakes.
Practice is how you improve. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
We're really glad you joined us. We hope this conversation helps you feel more confident when asking for directions in English.
And we look forward to seeing you again very soon here on the English Talk channel.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy learning.